I am happy today. She is very kind. We are ready for class. He is not at home. It is very cold today. They are watching a movie. You are a good listener. She is a dancer. We are happy to help. I am not hungry. He is in the kitchen. It is not easy. They are not ready. You are very smart. I am tired after work. You are my best friend. He is a good student. It is a sunny day. They are at the park. You are on time. She is my teacher. We are excited for the trip. I am from India. He is a doctor. It is a big problem. They are friends since school. You are very tall. She is on the phone. We are in the same class. I am learning English.